India has forever accepted all influences which came from outside. For example, our most favorite game, cricket. Cricket might have been invented by the British, but it's been taken on by Indians as their own sport and they've transformed it. Through modern detail, we want to bring the best of the world to India. And without compromising any of your Indian values or without giving up your Indianness. The Big Bazaar tagline in Hindi is "Isse sasta aur acha kahin nahi," which means no one sells cheaper or better. It's a very simple promise. Right from day one when we started our operations, we accepted cards because we wanted to bring modern practices to the Indian masses. Biggest advantage of a card for us is convenience. Convenience both for the consumer and for the retailer. Cash handling is a fairly intense activity for a store like ours. With a card, that obviously goes away. So there is a bit of an advantage even for us that you actually save the headache of cash management. We have partnered Visa for many years. There is one common goal that we want to increase consumption overall. In case of Visa, it's with one small caveat that it's consumption, but also transacted electronically. That makes us natural partners. So if we just look at overall trade as a proportion of personal consumption expenditure, only 3% is right now electronic in India as a whole. But in our stores, in modern retail, that proportion is 50%. So it's by far one of the highest in the country. And I think our stores don't just connect with you economically, they also connect culturally. People don't feel threatened, they feel this is their place.